guys, welcome back to the channel. I have some mini tins from White Bolt and Black Flair. I mean, you know what I mean. White Flair, Black Bolt. Ready to get some of these opened. I'm probably only going to open like one or two, depending on how the hits are. But there's 8 in a box, so we go with this one and this one. Got the little cardboard piece and the sticker. It comes with 1 pack of white Flair, 1 pack of Black Bolt. I'm just gonna open up the other one. Poster, sticker. Two packs, 1 White Flair, 1 Black Bolt. We're going to start opening them up. We start with 1 White Bolt, 1 White Flair, and we go with 1 Black Bolt. Take turns with it. We got a Lilith, Basculent, Stumpus, Leopard. Ooh, we got a Master Ball, regular foil, and no hit. Black Bolt. We got a Drippy, Toad, tell me in the comments what you guys are like excited for from the set. Ooh, that's nice. Nice little hit right there. It's a Cup Chew. Love that. Let's finish that up. And Dark Energy sleeve. Little Cup Chew. And just open Black Bolt. Here's the last White Flair pack. Lantern, Energy Retrieval, a little Reindeer. Ooh, nice! 2 for 2. Or, not 2 for 2, 3 for 2. And we got a foil Fighting Energy. Nice, Garvantula illustration rare. Put that in the sleeve. Nice. Last pack. Get that. Crystal. Ooh. Crystal illustration rare. And our energy was a steal. Nice. Sleeve it up. Our hits. Super excited. If you guys see anything that you like, it will be on the TCG Player Store. Zephy's Games and stuff. Peace.